Since 1979, Paderno has been making some of the world's finest cookware in Prince Edward Island. This is how they do it. High-grade 1810 stainless steel sheets are cut into strips and then taken to a blanking press, where they are cut into flat discs. Next, the discs are lubricated with oil and water and put into the form die, the machine that creates the actual shape of the pot. Next stop, impact bonding. In this process, the 430 stainless steel and aluminum pads are welded to the bottom of the pot. Once these three pieces of metal are welded together, a robot places the individual pots on a rotating chuck for the heating process. This conductive machine heats the bottom of the pot to 500 degrees Celsius to help meld the three pieces of the metal together and make them malleable for the final press. The robot then lifts the pot off the chuck, sending it via a conveyor belt to the impact press. This impact press exerts an enormous 1,200 tons of pressure to fuse these three pieces of metal together. All of the pots are first polished along the edges by hand to make sure they are of the finest standards. Next, each pot is carefully run through a large industrial polisher twice to create the shining exterior that Paderno customers expect to see. Finally, high-quality handles are then riveted on by hand and inspected to make sure each and every Paderno pot is of the highest quality standard for you to enjoy. After all of this, you have one perfect pot from Prince Edward Island. Paderno, pots for eternity.